We didn't know much about this tax-free childcare allowance, right? All we knew about was the child benefit. But one day my child mother told us about it and the fact that she had registered for it and we could qualify for the tax-free allowance, right? And I must say that it has been a lot of help to us in our payments towards child care services and all that. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jabaki. So today I'm going to tell you all about the tax-free childcare allowance. So basically the tax-free childcare allowance is an amount of money that you can get from the government up to a sum of £500 every 3 months, right, per child. And if you have a child with disability, they can get as much as £1,000 per every 3 months. And I'm going to tell you how to apply for it, how you can qualify for it, and just basically everything about this particular allowance. So if this is something that you are interested in, then watch this video to the very end. You need to set up an online account for each child, and this account is solely for childcare, paying childcare providers solely for that. This means that the money goes directly to the childcare provider. So it's not like you put the money in, the government pays you that amount, and then you go and withdraw it and go and pay the childcare provider yourself. No. So it will automatically, go to them at the time that you set, the time of the month that you would want them to get the money. You would set everything up and then it goes directly to them, right? So that is why I said it's solely for childcare services. So if you would use your money for anything else, it must not get into that account because you wouldn't get it out. And for any amounts that you put into this account, the government also gives you 20% of that amount, puts 20% of it into the account. For instance, if you pay £8, 20% of £8 is £2 that the government would add to that account, and that will bring it to £10. You can use the money to pay for approved childcare services such as childminders, nurseries, nannies, babysitters, and all that, as long as they are registered on the system. So first of all, you must make sure that the provider you're using is registered with this system. So it would be good if you ask them first of all if they are registered, and even if they have not, you can encourage them to do that because it's very easy for them to do that. I don't think there is any payments if they get into that, right? I don't think they will make any payments. I doubt if there is any payment that they have to make. So it's not anything that is going to sort of be of a loss to them, right? So if they haven't registered yet, just tell them about it and they will register. So in my case, my child minder had already registered, so she just told me about it, told me, okay, she has already registered and then I can go in for it. So that is it. You must make sure that they registered so that you would be able to find them on the system. You must be working and earning the minimum wage for 16 hours per week on the average. And if you have a partner, they also must be earning the same amount. The child must be 11 years old or under and must be living with you. And you as a parent must have a British citizenship or indefinite leave to remain, or have access to public funds before you can benefit from this tax-free childcare allowance. Bear in mind that if you are on this tax-free allowance, right, and then you apply for other benefits, that will stop immediately, right? So you can't have the tax-free and other benefits. So just be sure about that and then find out more, right? So that you're not losing out on more, right? So that you just weigh which one will work best for you, whether it will be the child tax-free allowance or it will be the other benefits that you're on before you decide on which one you would want to go in for. You must apply online on the government website. I'll just leave the link in the comment section. And then also you should have at hand your national insurance number, as well as other documents that they would ask you for. And then you should make sure that your provider is registered on the system. I hope this video has been helpful. Just drop your comments and questions in the comment box. And if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly do so. It's bye for now.